Whoa, check out this 1966 GT Mustang convertible that we're offering for sale today. Hi, I'm Jay from the Volo Auto Museum. We've got a couple hundred collector cars for sale. You can go to volocars.com to get all the specs, pricing, a bunch of photos you can study on this car, and you can also see the rest of our inventory, at least a few hundred cars for sale. So right now, let's take this one for a spin. I don't need to tell you, it's gorgeous. Vintage burgundy with the white pony interior, with the burgundy accents, all the GT equipment. This thing is sharp. It is a good-looking car. Other Mustang owners will be jealous. This is the car that someday they would hope to get. Got it from a gentleman over the last 10 years or so. I think I bought 3 or 4 cars. He restores them. He does an outstanding job. He's actually put 8,000 miles on this car, so he did restore it mechanically as well as cosmetically. It's dialed in. This car is ready to show and go. So anyway, we're going to open it up. Check out this interior. It's the full pony interior with the molded door panels. They call these knife handles. Got the ponies on the seats, and it's the parchment with the burgundy accents that is so sharp looking. Seat belts front and back. Rally pack gauges, that's a tachometer and a clock on the column. Deluxe steering wheel, full console. GT emblem, stripes, GT wheels, disc brakes, GT fog lamps. All the chrome and trim and stainless and windshield, weather strips, that's all been replaced. Super clean metal. You can see the pictures underneath the car on our website. volocars.com, but the engine bay is all clean, smooth metal, painted satin black. Motor is rebuilt. It's the A code 289 4-barrel, 225 horse. It's got power steering under there too. Correctenna. It's got the dual mirrors. Beautiful vintage burgundy color. Body is clean and straight. Fits nice. I had all the windows up. The door shuts so easy. Even with the windows up on a convertible, it's hard to find, but they fit nice. The door clicks shut with the windows up as well. Look at that inside. Trunk compartment's all painted burgundy. Has a matching GT wheel and spare. That always means something to me because the guy wasn't cheap. He actually paid the extra money to get a matching wheel and tire. It's got the full rubber mat, new gas tank. Has the jack in a matching plaid bag, and it also has the boot for over the top in a plaid bag. And speaking of top, I'm going to put that down and we're going to start this thing up while I'm in here. It is a power top. I've owned many convertibles. If you're like me, that top goes down in the spring and it doesn't come up until fall. Now I'm looking at the dash. It's all restored. All the white metal is painted. The chrome bezels around the instruments, it's new. The wood grain is all new. I mean, everything. The visors, the day-night mirror, the kick panels, window cranks, it's all been replaced. It has an AM radio, but it has a stereo hidden in the glove box so you can operate with the remote. Tachometer is working. Now, a real GT, when you turn on the fog lamps, the tail lights come on as well. That is how this one's wired. This has the quick ratio steering box. We check the numbers. So everything to make it a real GT checks out on this car. We do have the parchment color boot that snaps over that. Just beautiful, beautiful shape. Underneath has been cleaned, painted, restored, all new front end components, new dual exhaust, rebuilt transmission, new brakes, new shocks, new gas tank. It's got the correct GT exhaust tips coming right through the valance. Door jambs are nice. Motor smooth as can be. All the hardware, the windshield squirters are hooked up, has the original washer bag, Ford hoses and clamps. Now that's a good looking Mustang. This is the Mustang everyone's going to want to have. It's the full package. Let's goose it one more time. So there you have it. Contact sales@volocars.com. Go to our website. All the information is there. We can get shipping, financing. We can help you with further inspections. So whatever we can help to make this dream of yours a reality, we'll put this in your driveway. Let us know. Thanks for watching.